Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have the Galaxy Tab S9 that we're going to unbox, and I'll give you a quick review of what to expect in this tablet. Okay, so not to waste your time, okay, so let's open it up and see what it has inside. Okay, let's put it aside. So inside we have tablet, of course, we'll get to it later. We have the USB Type-C in here. Let's open it up fast. As you can see, it's right here. Okay, let's just put this aside. In here we just have the paper showing you how to use it, and of course we have the S Pen, which is very nice because Samsung included the S Pen inside the box. So once you buy the tablet, it comes with the S Pen in it. Okay, let me put this aside and get to the tablet, of course. Okay, so this is the tablet. Feels heavy. Okay, just move it. Here it is. Yeah, let's look around it. So here we have the power button, the volume up and down button, then we have microphones, of course, and where you can put your memory card. Yeah, then at the bottom we have, let's see, we have this part where you can connect the keyboard. Yeah, then what else do we have? Oh, we have speakers as well. So it comes with 4 speakers. Here we have 2 on this side, and this side you have 2 as well, and of course a charging port. And at the back we have the camera and where you can put your S Pen. Just put it there. Okay, where you can put the S Pen, of course. Yeah, as you can see, it's very sturdy, and look at this, it's very firm. So the chances of you dropping the S Pen are slim with this. Look at this, all this strength I'm using to remove the S Pen. Yeah, this is very good. You can be assured that your pen won't go missing. Yeah, of course, sound powered by AKG. I expect good sound quality from this tablet. Not to waste your time, let's power it up. All turns on. Let me move this. Let's put this aside. Okay, so I haven't set anything up so far, as you can see. Now this tablet has one of the best colors on a tablet that you can get for the amount that it's going for. Okay, let's just cancel this. Yeah, just look at this. The colors are very visible. Let me put it like this. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see properly from here, but by the way, it's very smooth. Yeah, anyways, let's talk about security. Yeah, to set up your security, just go to settings. Just go to settings. You go to settings. Let me just be quick. Let me just search for security settings. Okay, here if you want your fingerprint, you can put your fingerprint, face recognition. These are some of the security settings that this tablet comes with. So let's just put fingerprint, continue, next. Remember, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's just put a pin 2222. Okay, let me put a simple one 1 2 3 4. Continue. Use anyway 1 2 3 4. Okay. To register a fingerprint, as I told you, the fingerprint appears here. it's done. Let's try it. Let me close the screen. So immediately the screen goes on, it pops up here. So just put a fingerprint fast, and it unlocks. As you can see, it's very fast. Let's look at this. Look at this one more time. So you can't even, doesn't take long, no need for putting patterns or whatsoever. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this tablet has speakers on both sides, here and here, and also here. So it has 4 speakers, which is very good, especially if you are watching movies, series, music. Just to say a few, even when I'm playing games, just imagine sound coming from this side and this other side, which is a very good experience in my opinion. Okay, yeah, so let's test the speakers and just see how good they are. Okay, from here, just for sound testing. Okay, and from here okay, which video this is at 4 max on the volume. This is very good, very good. Just hear that. Now imagine you are watching a movie and sound is coming from this side and this side. Wow, this is almost like 50% of the volume. Let me play something else. Okay, let's see.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Unbox.
Just say that.
Today, I'm super excited because we have something really special to unbox. It's the Asus ZenBook 15 Pro, a powerhouse packed into a sleek design.
Okay, you get the idea. So speakers are very good on this tablet. I would recommend anyone to get this tablet. So far so good, I really like it. Just look how great the colors are. I can see all the colors without any problem. Okay, let me just put it in, it's on auto. Okay, let me put it in portrait. Okay, so this is portrait mode. Okay, so speakers are very good on this tablet. Let's move on. Now, one of the best features about Galaxy Tablet S9 is that it comes with a Spen, which is something I'm really excited to share with you. Well, it actually feels like the real size of a pen. Let me just show you comparison to a pen. Okay, this is a pencil. Just look at this comparison. There's no big difference from the S Pen and this pencil actually. So you can't even notice any difference that you're using an S Pen and the real pen. Yeah. So anyway, this aside, let's get back. So the S Pen, I'll make a separate video about the further details on how to use the S Pen, but for now let me just show you a few things that the S Pen can do. So immediately your S Pen is in use, you see this icon here. It's basically showing you that your S Pen is in use, or you are about to start using the S Pen. And for quick access of most of the things that you can do with the S Pen, you just have to click here and it brings options of what you can do. Okay, then at the back here we have a magnet, so you use this port to also charge the S Pen. Okay, so as you can see, the S Pen doesn't have any charging port, it uses wireless charging, and to charge it you just have to mount it here and it starts charging. So just to show you what I mean is, so when you put your S Pen here, it brings this, and it also shows you the battery life of the S Pen. So immediately I mount it. So my S Pen is at 70%, as you can see. So it has started charging by just mounting it at the back of your tablet. So some of the things that you can do with the S Pen is take notes, of course, using the the notes app that Samsung comes, this tablet comes with. So it's not like a third-party app. You don't really have to pay for it. Okay, so let's continue. You come here and then you select create note, which opens up this window. Let me just expand it. Okay, so once you open the note, you can actually start taking notes. Okay. This is too big. Let me pick a small font. Let me just erase this. To erase, you just come here where there's an eraser. I don't know if you can see it. Here, where there's an eraser, you remove it and you're good to go. Okay, so to change that, let me just use this pen, and you can click here to change the size of how thick you want your handwriting to be. As you can see, this is very small. I want it like this. Let me just remove this. Okay, so you just come here and you can start writing your notes. Okay, which is very cool. At the same time, here's something that I realized. Okay, let me just erase this part. Okay, some of the cool features that this tab comes with is that once you write text like this, you can convert it into text format. Okay, how do you do that? You just come here, okay, and you get this pop-up. You want to convert this to text, and you get to see just as I wrote it, this handbook, which is very accurate in my opinion. You don't really have to worry about writing notes with your book, then again you start typing them. So basically, how you wrote this, you can just convert it to text and you can put it in PDF or Word format, and you are good to go, which saves time in my opinion. Okay, what else can you do with the S Pen? The S Pen, you can use it as a remote control for playback. You can use it as a camera control. You can use it to take selfies from a distance. I'll show you that in the next video, but for now I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what this tablet can do. This tablet comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which is enough space. Okay, as I mentioned, it comes with 256 GB of storage and also has 12 GB of RAM, which is good. Speaking of specs, we've got a Snapdragon 8 Gen, a second processor. Then, and the display, as you can see, it's very bright. I won't lie, it's very bright, and you can see all the colors. Look at this, the brightness is at its lowest. Let me just increase the brightness. This is at its max. This maximum brightness. Okay, it's very bright. I bet it could brighten up your dark sense of humor. Anyways, forget that. Let's get back to the video. It has an AMOLED screen. Tablet S9 also comes with IP68 water resistance, so you don't really have to worry about a few splashes of water here and there. So you can go with it even at the beach, near the pool, and you don't have to worry about water in the shower or close to the sink while you watch your movie. You don't have to worry about water ruining your show, which is a very good thing. I'm sure someone is wondering, what about the cameras? Of course, it has one of the best cameras. Let me just show you. Just look at this picture. You can see all the details of this picture. This from the back camera. Then, when it comes to video quality, this was a video I just took recently outside. They're showing you after using this tablet for some time, the battery life is very good. I use it for 6 hours straight with my internet on, my VPNs on, and I played some games, took some videos, did a few drawings here and there, and I was impressed. In my opinion, the battery is very good. You don't have to worry about battery life, of course, and it's Samsung. Come on, who expects the battery to be worthy? The other thing that I want to mention is that you can actually use this tablet on desktop mode. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, here you can connect a keyboard and you can actually use it as a desktop. Okay, and you can do some works. How do you do that? Okay, let me just show you. You go to Decks here and it automatically turns into a desktop kind of setup, which is very good. It will help you to open multiple programs that you can see. YouTube is open here. Let me just move it here, just like you would do on your computer, which is a very helpful feature in my opinion. You can also open another program. For example, let me just move this here, and you can get to work on both sides just like you do on a computer, which is, I would say, pretty cool in my opinion. This tablet also supports split screen, as you can see. Just come here and you do split screen. There you go, and you can choose another program that you can open on the other side. Okay, let's just say pen up. Okay, so you can get to see this picture while you do other things this side. You draw. Okay, yeah, and you can use, after showing you everything here, if you are ready to make your friends jealous, or even your professor, so they chase you in class for having a tablet, buy one of these. I guarantee you, will chase you and tell you to go buy a book instead of coming with this, because yeah, I know that's double. They'll chase you, but I advise you to get this tablet. It will be worth your money. At the moment, I got this tablet for about, I don't know, should I tell you? It's for about $500. Yeah, which is a very good price in my opinion for what you get in here. This is just a summary of, this is just a simplified version of what you can do here, but there's more that you can do that I'll show you in the next video, so stick around.